So give your roll numbers in chat box and CRs from every department. Record the roll numbers and give it to me after the class. All of you give your roll numbers in chat box. 33 participants only. So I'm starting the class. Okay. For today's class, I will discuss about the determination of pH value of given solution of different strength using pH paper. Okay. So for this experiment, the examiner will provide you some different solution in different beaker of different strength. Means the strength of the different solution will be different, and you have to determine the pH value. Okay, this one is our experiment. Uh, so a theory of our experiment is pH value of a solution is determined by using pH paper or universal indicator solution. Different colors are obtained from different pH value. This one is our theory of our experiments. So, for this experiment, we have to know what is pH paper and what is pH scale, what is pH value. Okay. So, pH paper, for this experiment, you have to take this pH paper. This strip like paper, yellow paper, is called pH paper. Okay. So, and from this pH paper, using this pH paper, we can determine the pH value of different solution. The examiner will be provide you some solution, and you have to check the pH value of each and every solution, and they will also provide you the pH paper. So what is pH scale now? For you diploma student, you only you have to know what pH value is, that from where we can determine the solution is acidic or basic in nature. Okay, so uh, uh, pH value is stand from 0 to 14. Uh, from 0 to 7, it's called acidic. When the value of pH paper is 10 from 0 to 7, then the solution will be acidic. From 7 to 14, then the solution will be basic in nature. Okay, so now you can ask that what is 7 then. So 7 is neutral. So for neutral solution, the pH value will be 7. Okay, so how will do you this spectacle? So you have to take one pH paper, and you have to dip in the each solution. For different solution, you have to take different pH paper. Then what you have to see, that when you dip the pH paper in solution, in each solution, then for different solution, the color of the pH paper will changes different. You will found the different color for each pH paper for different solution. For example, if you dip a pH paper in solution 1, and then if the pH paper is turns, it can be red, pink, or it can be blue in color. Okay, for solution 1. If the pH paper of the color is turned to red or light pink, then the solution is acidic in nature, because from this pH scale, you can see, can you see this pH scale? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
if you will compare the pH paper with this pH scale, then you can see that the red one is pH value stand 1. Okay, light pink for 2. So from here, comparing with the pH paper, when you dip this pH paper, yellow pH paper in solution, if the color changes uh, pure red or light pink, that means the pH value is for this solution is 1 and 2 or like that. Okay, so the you can say that the value of the solution pH paper, sorry, value of the pH of that solution will be 1, 2, or like that. Then then you can say that the solution is acidic in nature. Okay, now for some solution, if you dip the pH paper in some, let us consider solution 2. If you dip this pH paper in solution 2, and if it is its color changes to blue, this blue color or this blue color, light blue or dark blue, then the solution will be basic in nature, because the blue color, for blue color the pH value is stand from uh, 11, 12, 13, 14, like it. Okay, so pH value above 7 will stand for basic solution. Then if the solution is basic, then the color of the pH paper will turn blue or light blue. So you can say that the solution is basic in nature. And one probability will be there for those solution. If the solution is neutral in nature, then the pH paper will not change its color. Here you can see that for 7 it is green, but in real, if the solution is neutral, then this pH paper will not change its color. Okay, it will remain yellow for neutral solution. Got it? So for neutral solution, the pH paper will not change its color, it will remain same. Then for uh, acidic solution, the color of the pH paper will changes to pink or red, and for basic solution, the color of the pH paper will change blue or dark blue, light blue or dark blue. Okay, so if the examiner will ask that explain the pH scale, then you have to the then you have to tell them that pH value, here in this picture you can see that the pH value is showing here from 1 to 14, but if the value will be 0.5, then the solution will be acidic. So you can say that the value of the pH scale is started from 0, actually 0 to 14. So pH scale is started from 0 and ended 14. So below 7 means 0 to 7 it's acidic in nature. For value of pH 7 to 14, the solution will be basic in nature, and 7 in exact 7, the pH paper will not changes its color, and the solution will be neutral in solution. Okay, so this one was our theory of our experiment. Mm, wait. This one is our procedure. So procedure for our experiment is I have already told you that you have to dip the separate pH paper in separate solution and observe the colors. You have to observe the colors, what color you found. Then what color you found for the pH paper, that pH paper you have to compare with the color shade of the pH indicator chart, and you have to note it. Okay, third point, you have to tabulate your result. How will you tabulate it? Okay. Sorry. Apparatus required for this experiment is test tube, beaker, pH paper, and dropper. This apparatus you need for this experiment. Then this procedure come. Then we have to came in conclusion. You have to tabulate it. How we will tabulate it? That among the supplied solution 1 is acidic, solution 2 is basic, solution 3 is neutral in nature. These are the example how you will write in conclusion. Okay, for when you will get this different solution, there may be different solution is will can be different. For example, solution 2 5 is acidic, 1 3 is basic, 6 is neutral. Okay. These are some differences between acids and bases. So these are the simple differences all of you know actually. For acid gives off hydrogen ion while dissolved in water, and bases it gives hydroxyl ion when dissolved in water. These small differences all of you know. So it turns yellow. This one is for blue litmus paper, but we are using yellow litmus paper. So when we use yellow litmus paper, the acid will change its color to pink or red, and for bases, yellow pH paper will change its color to blue. Okay, so acid test is sour test and basis test. These simple things you all of you know. And pH value of acid stand for from 0 to 7, and for bases the pH value ranges from 7 to 14. So, for example of acid, some example are so many acids are there in your laboratory and our surroundings. So, some example is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, lactic acid. So many acids are there, and bases. Some example are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. These are the example of bases. Now, come to the example of neutral. Can you tell any neutral solution? Can you tell me any one if you know any neutral solution? Do you know? Don't use
Water,
mobile. Don't use mobile. I know you are using
water,
mobile.
water,
Yes, water is the neutral solution. For
and water.
water, if they provide water, then if you check it by a pH paper, then you can see that clearly see that the pH paper for water, it will not changes its color. It will remain yellow in color. So water is a neutral solution, and pH value of water is how many? How many? Can you tell me?
I'm seven.
7. Yes. For neutral, pH value is 7. Then the solution is neutral in nature. Human blood is also in neutral. You can say neutral solution, but its value, pH value will stand 7.2 to 7.3. Okay. Means it will start from 7 to 7.5. No, not it is a neutral, exactly neutral solution, but it is slightly basic in nature. Okay. So have you any question about this experiment? All of you do understand? How to do this practical? Can you do this practical in laboratory? PDF for this experiment, I have not ready yet. I cannot get time because your registration is going on. So I will give it later to you. Don't ask me, okay? Because we are so busy in registration work. I will give it later. So have you any question regarding this experiment? What happened? All of you are mute. Why? I don't like
হ্যালো
mute
ম্যাম।
student. Yes?
ম্যাম মানে সাপোজ আমাক এটা সাবষ্টেন্স দিছে তাতে কোনটো কালাৰ ইউজ কৰিম এইটো কি আমি নিজৰ ফালৰ পৰা ইউজ কৰিম নেকি?
কালাৰ তোমালোকক দিয়াই যাব কোনটো কালাৰৰ পেজ পেপাৰ তোমালোকক প্ৰভাইড কৰে সেইটো কালাৰ তুমি কৰিব লাগিব একচুৱেলি ফৰ ডিপ্ল'মা we are using yellow page paper. Usually we use yellow page paper, so don't worry about it.
ম্যাম যদি এটা সাবষ্টেন্স আমি বেলেগ বেলেগ পিএইচ পেপাৰ কালাৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ ইউজ কৰো তেন বেলেগ বেলেগ ওলাব নেকি?
হয় মানে তোমাৰ ব্লু কালাৰ sorry, there is so many color page paper, yellow color page paper, red page paper, uh, and some other green page paper also there. So
Yes.
মানে page paper ৰ color অনুযায়ী তোমাৰ different color পাব পাৰা. So আৰু question আছে কাৰোবাৰ?
ম্যাম তেনেহলে কালাৰৰ ওপৰত একো ডিপেন্ড নকৰে নেকি বস্তুটো?
এইটো তোমাৰ যদি yellow page paper use কৰি আছা then সেই yellow page paper ৰ যিটো page color shade সেইটোৰ লগত
হয়।
তুমি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিব লাগিব page color যিটো shade থাকে সেইটো page paper ৰ যিটো cover থাকে cover ৰ লগত তোমাৰ হেৰি কৰা থাকে মানে তাতে shade বিলাক দিয়াই থাকে different color shade বিলাক তাতে দিয়া থাকে তো তাৰে লগত যদি তুমি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰা তুমি পাই যাবা বস্তুটো
ওকে ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম।
কোনোবা কিবা সুধিবা I don't like mute student. Anything, at least any question you can ask.
ম্যাম আপুনি কোশ্চেন সোধক আমাক।
Acha. Uh, so I will ask you question from your second experiment. Okay. So and you have to give answer and it will be hit your internal marks. If you will not give me answer, then I will not give you the marks internal marks. Okay. So from second experiment, can you tell what is a heterogeneous mixture? Okay, first tell me what is a mixture.
What is a
When we call
mixture?
it
Ma'am, two or more component together is mixer.
Yes.
Yes, it's true. Anyone want to give the answer?
Ma'am, one or two components mix each other. That's called mixture.
Yes. Only two girls are here present and they are giving answer. Okay, next question. What is the heterogeneous mixture? How can we know the mixture is? What is mixture is? But how can we determine the mixture is homogeneous or heterogeneous? So tell me first, what is heterogeneous mixture? How can we determine the heterogeneous mixture?
A heterogeneous mixture is a type of mixture whose component can be seen two or more faces present.
Yes. For those mixture which two or more components are present and we can see it by our naked eyes. Okay. Anyone
Yes.
want to give answer for heterogeneous mixture?
The composition is not uniformly throughout, and sometimes different components are visible.
Okay. Harijatun. Okay. Next, anyone? You want to give answer?
In contrast to this, in a heterogeneous mixture, the composition is not uniform throughout, and sometimes different components and visible. For example, mixtures of water and sand.
Okay. Mafia Moonhog. Very good. Any other you want to give answer? Any other example of heterogeneous mixture? Mafia has told us that sand and water is an example of heterogeneous mixture. Uh, any other example? Can you tell me?
Sand and
Grains and pulse.
water and oil.
Okay.
Grains and pulse.
Grains
Okay.
and pulses.
Yes. So the other students are here. They have connect the class. They put it their mobiles or laptop in charge and they gone. Right. I will complain to your mentor. No, ma'am, we are here. Then why are you not giving answer? If you not understand, then you can ask me that, ma'am, please explain that. And if you understand, then you have to. And I am giving you something, and you are mute. Then what I will understand? We
Yes.
understand. Okay, you understand. Then give answer to my question. Not understand second practical. Why? Where were you when we explaining the second experiment? Surajit Kolita. তুমি ক'ত আছিলা যিদিনা মই এক্সপেৰিমেণ্টটো এক্সপ্লেইন কৰি আছিলোঁ সিদিনাতো মই কৈ আছিলোঁ কিবা কুৱেশ্যন আছে যদি সোধা
মেম ক্লাছ চবে কৰে ক্লাছৰ পিছত অকল নোটছ খুজি থাকে বেলেগৰ পৰা
এইটো কেনেকুৱা কথা হ'ল নোটছে চব একো প্ৰব্লেম ছল্ভ কৰিব নোৱাৰে নহয় তুমি ক্লাছত কিবা বুজি পোৱা নাই ক্লাছতে সোধা
যে ক্লাছটো শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত মেছেজ দি থৈ দিব হ'ল নোটছখিনি দিবা না মোক
দিছ ইজ নট ৰাইট তুমি নোটছ যিকোনো তুমি এক্সামৰ আগতো নোটছ খুজি তুমি কপি কৰি পাছ কৰিব পাৰিবা ন' ডাউট বাট যিখিনি এটলিষ্ট ক্লাছত বুজাই কিবা এটা শিকিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিবা বুজি পাইছানে চ' ইয়াতে ইমান পইচা খৰচ কৰি আছা মানে ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে ইমান পইচা দিব লগা হৈছে তো তাৰ কাৰণে তোমালোকে কিবা এটা বেনিফিট হোৱাকৈ তোমালোকে এটলিষ্ট এটেণ্ড কৰা ন ইটছ এণ্ড এভৰি ক্লাছ টিচাৰবিলাকে কি কয় এটলিষ্ট ট্ৰাই টু লিচেন না listen what they said or what they says because যিটো ক্লাছত শিকায় টিচাৰে সেইটো বস্তু তোমালোকে নোটছত বিচাৰি নোপোৱা
য়েছ মেম মেম নোৱাৰিলেও সুধিলেতো নামাৰে নহয় সুধিলেই হয়
তোমালোকৰ আনকি মুখবিলাকো দেখা নাপায় এইটো ক্লাছত এনেকুৱা অনলাইন ক্লাছবিলাক এনেকুৱা হৈছে আজিকালি মুখবিলাকো দেখা নাপায় যে কোনে সুধিছে জাষ্ট নামবিলাক আহে ইমান ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টক মাৰিব যাব নেকি কোনোবাই এইটো অনলি মোৰ ক্লাছত নহয় চব টিচাৰৰ ক্লাছৰ কথাই কৈছোঁ হা ছেকশ্যন চি মই কমপ্লেইন কৰিম মেণ্টৰ্ছবিলাকক
মেম চব ক্লাছতে এনেকুৱাই কোনেও কথা নাপাতে
শিখা তই হেৰি পাইছানে ছেকশ্যন চি কোনো কথা নকয় না হা
নকয়
শিখা ফিজিক্স মেমো কমপ্লেইন কৰিছে
এটা ক্লাছতো কোনেও নামাতে, আছে নে নাই গমে পোৱা নাযায়, এজন দুজন তিনিজনৰ বাহিৰে কোনেও নামাতে।
তেওঁলোকক অনলি এটেনডেন্সহে লাগে নেকি?
আৰু ক্লাছ শেষ হোৱাৰ পিছত অকল হোৱাটছআপত এটা মেছেজ চাব, নোটছখিনি বেয়া নোপোৱা যদি দিবা না।
কোনোবাইতো এতিয়াহে জইন কৰিছে। আচ্ছা, ছফিকুল কোন হয়? ছফিকুল ছফিকুল ইছলাম। শুনিছানে মোৰ কথা? ছফিকুল ইছলাম এইমাত্ৰ কিয় ক্লাছত সোমাইছা?
চাৰ্জ নাছিল মোবাইলত।
এতিয়া ক'ৰ পৰা আহিল?
চাৰ্জ দিছিলোঁ।
এতিয়াতো ক্লাছ শেষ হ'বৰে হৈছে। অনলি এটেনডেন্স দিব আহিছা যদি নালাগে।
ঠিক আছে।
Okay, so share from each department record the roll numbers. আৰু roll numbers বেছি হ'ব নালাগিব। Participant in 43 means students are here 42. So 42 টা student হ'ব লাগিব attendance ত। So record your roll numbers. Already record or not? Sears? It's recorded, right? Because it's your responsibility. I have not recorded roll numbers. Okay, so I am ending the class, okay?
ওকে মেম।
Thank you for joining. Huh?
মেম
পিছত দিব
কিবা কৈছা? বুজি পোৱা নাই ভালকে।
মেম, এইটো এক্সপেৰিমেণ্ট কি কেইদিনমান পিছত দিব নেকি আজিৰটো?
কেইদিনমান পিছত দিম। PDF ফাইলটো মোৰ ৰেডি হোৱা নাই একচুৱেলি, মই পিছত দিম। Okay, thank you everyone for joining.
থেংক ইউ মেম।
থেংক ইউ মেম।
থেংক ইউ মেম। মেম